Hi, welcome back to the channel. I've been really looking forward to this weekend because it's MOT time. That's right, for this. So Redbull are coming along tomorrow to MOT the soapbox. There's the body, there's the chassis. Not much to look at just yet. But that's not the MOT I'm looking forward to. It's actually the MOT today for the MG, which is behind you. So the car isn't quite ready. If you've been following the channel, you'll have seen the work on the sill down this side. That's fine, I think. But there was a lot more work to be done down this side. There's loads more rust down here. The part I had to make and fit to the car, the sill bit here, was much bigger. And there was lots more rust and holes along the way. So, but I've done all that, I think. And it should be good enough to get it through an MOT, I hope. So for now, it just needs a bit more sanding and painting and whatnot, but I'm just going to try and chance it. So there were two main things on the MOT last time that it failed on. Both rear sills, because they were near a point of structural importance, which have now welded new pieces back into there. One side needs painting, the other side needs painting better again. But they should be done, that should be okay. So there should be no surprises there. The other main thing it failed on were, as it was on the dyno having its brake test, the brake lines let go and fluid went everywhere. So replace the lines going into the back, feeding the back to brakes, so they should be done. Now I know I had one or two people comment about using copper rather than conifer, but because of the work I've probably got planned for it in the future, that's all going to get redone anyway. So really there shouldn't be anything. Sorry, I'm just going around a bend and it feels really nice. Oh. So there shouldn't be anything that really surprises me. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I really need it to pass because next Saturday, a week from today, it's MG Live, and I'm hoping to meet up with some MG buddies and go see and meet loads of like-minded people. That might not happen if I don't pass today, as I'm not going to have much time to fix anything that it fails on. So, fingers crossed. Temperatures look good. Steering feels fine. Brakes feel okay. But everything did last time as well. Well, here we are. MOT test station. Same one as before. Hopefully they'll remember me and feel sorry for me. Wish me luck. Here we go. So MOT test results are in, and it's a pass. It's a pass. Now, when I was down at the testing station, the chap that came out to tell me it had passed did say that it's the oldest car they had that day, and it was the only car that passed that day up until that point as well. So there's something to be said about that. Oh, I was just so thrilled. There are a few things that have popped up here that need some work. So both brake pipes are corroded at the front, so they need doing, but that's fine, I knew about those. And I've got a tyre that needs replacing at some point in the near future, which is also fine, I can live with that. So there's still plenty to do on the MG in terms of the restoration, so I'll keep that playlist running. But I'm going to be moving it now into phase 2, which is all about great driving roads, going on journeys, taking the car up and down the country, and maybe even beyond. And the first journey, the first opportunity to stretch its legs is going to be next Saturday, so that's a week today, the 11th of June. I'm going to be going to MG Live.
It's about an 80-mile trip for me, so it'll be a good opportunity to stretch its legs, give it a bit of a shakedown. Hopefully I'll make it there. Yeah, but I hope to see many of you there, and you'll probably notice my car because it kind of stands out for all the wrong reasons at the minute. But yeah, but today I'm going to be MOTing this, or Redbull will be when they arrive, to try and get the soapbox race match fit. So yeah, see you in the next one.